Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Cooky for BT21. Let's get started in the center of our page with the nose. So we're going to start with a small oval, starting at the top, work our way around to the bottom, and back to the top. Now let's fill the nose in black. Now we're going to move to the side and up and draw two small circles for the eyes. So start on the left side. Now we're going to line this up with the right side. Let's fill the eyes in black. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting from the center underneath the nose, I'm going to curve down and then up, aiming towards the eye. Go back to the center, we're going to curve down and then up towards the right. Let's draw the bottom part of the mouth. Starting at the bottom curve on the left side, we're going to curve down in the middle and then back up on the right. Let's add the tongue. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up and then down. Above the left eye, we're going to draw an angled line coming down from the top to bottom for the eyebrow. Now at the top, we're going to angle this up with a short line. Now we connect the top and the inside with a straight angled line. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now above the right eye, we're going to draw a short angled line going up and out. We're going to round out the ends, so pulling them back in. Then we'll connect the top and bottom with a straight line. And then we'll fill that in black. Now we're going to move up and draw in the ears. In the center, we're going to go all the way up to the top of the head. We're going to start by going straight up. We're going to round out the top of the ear, round out the side, and then pull that in towards the side of the head. Now let's go over to the right. From this point, we're going to curve up about halfway up, round out the ear, come down over the head. Now I'm going to pull this up on the inside, right about there. Now we're going to draw a large circle around the face. Starting from the bottom of the ear on the left, we're going to curve out, down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to pull this up on the right side and tuck this in behind the ear on the right. Now we're going to draw the inside of the ear on the left side. So in between the center and the left side, we're going to step in and draw a curve going across. Now we're going to trace the ear out on the inside. Starting on the left, leave an even space gap all the way around. Now let's move down and draw on the body. On either side, we're going to step down and draw a curve going out and then back in. So let's start on the left, we're going to curve out and then in. Let's line up with the right side, curve in the opposite direction, going out and then in. Now back on the left side, we're going to round out the foot, curve out, come down and in. Now we're going to pull this straight up in the center, in between the hips. Let's go back to the middle and draw the right side. Come down, round out the bottom of the foot, and then pull that back in towards the ankle. Now the arm on the left is going to be raised up. So we're starting on the side of the cheek, curve out, round out the arm, and then pull that back in behind the body. We're going to draw an angled line at the top of the arm. Now let's move over to the right side. This arm is going to be hanging down the side of the body. So start underneath the head, curve out, round out the hand, and then pull that in behind the body. Now right up here, we're going to draw an angled line going up and out. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Cooky from BT21. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.